In this video, I will show you how to transfer money with Nordea Bank. So friends, log in your accounts. This is the first step you need to do. Log in with your own information. So if you have a mobile, log in with your app, download this app on Google Play or App Store. When you download this app, look for this option, open your app. As you can see here, choose a transfer. This is for app, click this one. On transfer, this is on transfer. Select your accounts and then choose your account number, your amount of money, and then click confirm transfer. So friends, this is for a confirmation transfer. Write your all details, such amount, such your date, message, and then schedule. You can schedule your times. If you click transfer confirm, you will see your transfer being registered. So friends, basically this is how you can do. Just download this app and follow simple prompts here, your simple steps. Look for transfer and then choose your, you should be card was linked. This is not important step. Just write your all details here. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content.